Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel 1-2-Step. In today's tutorial video, we're going to take a look at how to use green screen on CapCut. So this is going to be a quick video, so make sure that you watch this video till the end and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos. To get started, tap open the application of CapCut. And then firstly add in the video. As you can see, I have just added the video. Now to add a green screen to any of your videos, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to tap on the overlay option, which is shown on the bottom panel. Again, tap on add overlay. From here, add in your green screen. After the green screen has been added, you can stretch it to fit the screen. After you fit the green screen perfectly, select the green screen and then on the bottom panel, swipe to the left and find an option which says chroma key. Tap on chroma key and then select the green area and then increase the intensity of the chroma key. After you're done, you can tap on the tick option. And there you go, your green screen has been added to your video.